Hey everyone, welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella. Let's dive into what happened in the stock market yesterday. So after a hopeful rebound on Tuesday, US stocks slid back into the red on Wednesday. It seems like the market just couldn't keep the momentum going. The Standard & Poor's 500 fell more than 0.8%, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite slid 1.1%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped about 0.6%, nearly 250 points. At one point during the session, all three major averages were up more than 1%, but it didn't last. Now let's talk about what dragged the market down. Chip stocks led the losses with AI leader Nvidia falling more than 5%. Investors were also keeping a close eye on the VIX, known as Wall Street's fear gauge. The VIX spiked into the low 60s on Monday, hitting levels we last saw during the throes of the pandemic. By Wednesday, it rose about 5 points to close just below 28. Before last week's sell-off, the VIX was trading in the teens, so this is a significant jump. On the earnings front, Disney reported early Wednesday that it turned a profit in its streaming unit for the first time last quarter and even raised its full-year earnings forecast. But despite this good news, shares of Disney fell more than 4% as investors digested concerns over Disney's park business. Late Tuesday, both Airbnb and Supermicro reported results that disappointed investors, sending their shares sharply lower. Airbnb stock fell almost 14% after the company offered a current quarter forecast below expectations. Supermicro stock fell over 20% as margins disappointed. The tech company, which has been riding a wave of AI enthusiasm, also announced a 10-for-1 stock split, which will take effect on October 1st. So, well, that's the scoop on yesterday's market action. It looks like the market is still struggling to find its footing amid tech sell-offs and mixed earnings reports. Let's see how things unfold in the coming days. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll be back tomorrow with more market updates. Have a great day.